Hello students, today we will be discussing a topic known as average. And average is also known as arithmetic mean as well as mean. Okay, now say what is the formula of average? Average equal to sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. Now let me see you the definition of average. Average is that value that is being evenly distributed among a number of quantities. Evenly distributed means equally distributed. Okay, let me show you this by the help of an example, then you will get a better idea. Okay, suppose I am taking three persons. Okay, Ram is having how many chocolates? 10 chocolates. Ramesh is having 20 chocolates. Suresh is having 30 chocolates. Okay, Ram is having 10 chocolates, Ramesh 20 chocolates, and Suresh 30 chocolates. So how do I find the average of this? I will just use the formula. Therefore, average equal to, what is this? Sum of the quantities. How many quantities? 10, here 20, here 30. So I will add 10 plus 20 plus 30. Okay, divided by number of quantities. How many persons were there? Ram, Ramesh and Suresh. That means 3 persons were there. So number of quantities will be 3. So 10, 20, 30, 60 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, equals 20. That means equal to 20 chocolates. Now see, the average I got is 20 chocolates. That means what is the sum? 10, 20, 30. 60 chocolates. If I divide those 60 chocolates among these 3 persons, then each person will be getting 20 chocolates, which rounds to 60. Understood? So students, let us do some sums from the exercise now. In the exercise it is said that find the average of the following. The first question is 3, 5 and 7. 3, 5 and 7, and we have to find the average. As I have discussed, average equal to sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. This formula, no need to write in all the sums, just this is the first sum, that's why I am writing the formula. Sum of the quantities. First quantity, second quantity, third quantity. 3, 5 and 7. So sum, that means we have to add 3 plus 5 plus 7. Done. Divided by number of quantities. How many quantities are there? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 quantities are there. So down we will write 3. Now 7 plus 5 plus 3 is how much? 15 by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So what is your average here? Your average is 5. The next question is 2.4, 3.1, 1.2 and 1.3. The numbers are in decimal. Again, the same way. Therefore, average equal to sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. Sum of the quantities, that means we have to add these numbers. That is 2.4 plus 3.1 plus 1.2 plus 1.3 divided by number of quantities. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So divided by 4. Now we have to add this part, that is 2.4, 3.1, 1.2 and 1.3. Whenever you are adding, the decimal point should be below the decimal point. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.0. After decimal, the 0 has no value, so 0 will cancel, that is 8. That is 8 by 4. Okay? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So your answer is 2 over here. Our next sum is 10 gram, 20 gram, 30 gram, 40 gram and 50 gram. G stands for gram. Okay? No need to bother for that, just you have to find the average. We know that average equal to sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. So sum, again we have to add 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 divided by number of quantities. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 quantities are there. So divided by 5. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50, we get 150. 150 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. So 0 is there. So 5 30s are 150. So 30 is your answer. Okay. Now question number 4. 3 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Some numbers are whole numbers and some numbers are decimal numbers. Okay. Sum of the quantities, that means we have to add all the quantities. 3 plus 2.5 plus 1.5 plus 5 divided by number of quantities. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. Okay. Now we have to add these numbers. Since 3 is a whole number, so we will make it decimal, 3.0. Since after a number, after a decimal, 0 has no value, so we are writing 3.0. Next 2.5. Next 1.5. Again 5 is a whole number, so we are writing 5.0. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12.0. After decimal, 0 has no value, so 12. 12 by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Your answer is 3. Okay. Next is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Therefore, average equal to sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. Sum of the quantities, so we have to add 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 divided by number of quantities. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. Okay. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 12, 42. 42 by 16. 6 1s are 6. 6 7s are 42. Your answer is 7. Okay. Our next question is 1.4 kg, 2.3 kg, 3.5 kg and 4.8 kg. Again the same way, average equal to sum of the quantities divided by number of quantities. Sum of the quantities, that means we have to add 1.4 plus 2.3 plus 3.5 plus 4.8 divided by number of quantities. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now we have to add the decimal numbers. 1.4, 2.3, 3.5, 4.8. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 0, 2. Decimal will come down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.0. After decimal, 0 has no value. Gone. So 12 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. Your answer is 3. Okay.